So I am here at the Gragnano factory and museum. Right now I'm at the Museo, and it's a wonderful place. It has pictures of the early producers of the Gragnano pasta. It shows the equipment and how the pasta used to be made many years ago. And then we're going to go to the actual production area. But here are the doors. It says Gragnano. The area here in Napoli is perfect for the pasta production. The air, the climate, the water, it's all very, very important. And so you can see it's an extensive museum with the information about the early years at Gragnano. This is a real treat for me. This is something very special, something I wanted to do when I was in Napoli this year, and it's a dream come true. I'm standing in a breezy area, but this is a Benevento. This is a very good wind, and you're looking at a spot where on the other side is the Gulf of Napoli. So the wind comes off the Gulf of Napoli, and it's always here. And I will show you a little bit of the geography. And that wind is even an ingredient in this pasta because it makes a difference when the wheat is growing. So not only does Gragnano have the water from the mountain, it has the wind from the sea, and of course it has the sun, which gives it just a perfect geography for making pasta, which cannot be duplicated in other parts of the world. Just another reason why this is so important and critical in the making of the Gragnano pasta. I know it's noisy in here, but this is the wheat getting mixed, and it's a beautiful color of yellow. And I'm going to go over here and show the dough that it's making. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Bucatino, see? This is for all the various shapes. Yeah, see, oh wow, bucatino. Questo è zito, tagliatella. Sì, wow.
This is for penne brand.
Oh, wow. For quale pasta?
Penna.
Penna, oh. For penne.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh, for lasagna, sì. Oh, wow. Passante.
If you want
Okay?
You do not change nothing with the temperature. The color is the same and the quality is the same. With temperature, it is
The same. So they're saying,
low temperature.
yes, it's dried at low temperature, and so the color is the same before and after because of the time. Quanti ora or quanti minuti? Oh my gosh, minimum 1 day to dry. That's one of the reasons. This is such good pasta. I'm eating it raw and it's delicious.
many pots for drying pasta because they have low temperature.
Yes, many shelves of drying the pasta because it's all dried at very slow temperature. Here's another part of the factory. Oh. Wow, the pasta.
Alphabet.
Ah, sì. Alphabet pasta in this one. Sì. The pasta's coming off the conveyor belt here. Looks like it's going up a ladder.
Amazing. That's manicotti. This is the cannelloni.
Cannelloni. Dry. Secca.
Secca, sì,
Sì, secca.
Devono fare il rumore degli zoccoli. Zoccoli di legno.
Sì. And it's packaged. So here it's getting in the sacotta, in the package. It's a finished product. So we saw the wheat. Oh my gosh, this is the alphabet pasta. Yes. So now we see the finished pasta. 100% grano italiano. See. So they have 40 employees here, but between August and December, it rises to 80 because the wheat is ready in the field. Interesting.